Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. Whether you are an expert bike rider, a novice bike rider, or you just like to go bike riding as a family, I have something that you need. It is this super convenient Airbank Pocket 2 Pro air pump. They have made this thing beyond easy and compact. So it is super lightweight and tiny. So you can easily throw it in your back pocket or in your backpack while you go on a bike ride, and you will always have an air pump with you. They've also included this really nice carrying bag so you can slip your air pump and all the accessories in it, and it protects it from water. They've also included adapters so it can be used with different kinds of valves, and there's an extension hose. I personally found that the easiest with our bikes. You just screw that into the little air pump, screw it onto your bike tire. There's a nice LED screen that shows exactly what PSI you're trying to get to and what PSI you're currently at. Once you've set it to the correct PSI, you just hit the power button again and this thing will turn on. It's not super loud and you can let it go. So you can see it counts up so you know how close to your goal PSI you are. And then it automatically shuts off so you don't have to worry about it overfilling your tire. It charges using a USB-C and it charges really quickly so you're not having to wait for a long time if you need this. Another thing I thought was super nice of them was they included a air pump needle, so we also can use this to air up like our basketballs at home. I found the instruction manual was very helpful with different kinds of valves and how you can put everything together. I feel like we were always having to take our bikes to the gas station to fill them up, and now it is super convenient. We can do it really quickly at home. So before you go on your next bike ride, make sure you order this Airbank Pocket 2 Pro air pump. But that's just my point of view.